Mema wachen ema wakwaba ediba as television so abonon son apel mutia so sports ena mede Ebrel mi amede dwumadie Ebrel mede ani sie Vincent Kwadwo na nne yedeme beko amanfo nkroso omo international friendly no eguso a ekukoso ena ebinum koso ahomachen ya ade ebeche so ebinum koso yedemu nsensem nyina ebebrem efiri amanfo nkroso so a yedemu beba efie match day 2 no ekoso weekends we yedemu scores nemo niama nyina nsem a efiri mu eba ya nyina edi bebre mu na coaches ni bi nso akasa na match day 3 so features no abetutoja edimu nsem ebebrem na ndemini Kwaku Francis na ebe jinkomo ewo fidie mu ha na me kam say as Media Practical Institute and asomase me di dwumadie ebrem ye betwa ye ho sima eba edi dwumadie no ebeto amuso me san ema wakwaba eba as TV so na mdazi se oguso a ehwe as television na ebekọ matches no mu international friendly no mu dia enra Russia and France ebo na Russia ehye baako ema France ehye emienu the last of Pogba and Mbappe ebo brace Paul Pogba nso ehye goal no ebaako ekwa Switzerland and Parma nso ekoye Switzerland 6 Parma anti-manti ekanomo ebaako Denmark and Chile de no ekoye goalless draw na ifra Senegal and Bosnia de no nso ekoye goalless draw na Romania echi Sweden ehye omo ekabaako a omo anti ekano Germany nso etena ho ema Brazil ekohye omo ekabaako a omo anti ekano eho ena Belgium enso echi Saudi Arabia ehye omo ekapoli enan a omo anti ekanomo eba empo the likes of Lukaku ebo brace ena Batshuayi nso edi baako ka ena Kevin De Bruyne so edi ebika homa goals ni koye enan a Saudi Arabia anti ekano emu baako mpo England and Italy de no ekoye 1-1 emra Vardy ehye first goal no ansana ayi epti ekano edima England Italy ene penalty kick ana omudi eti ekano na ekọ Colombia nso Colombia ene Australia game no ekoye goalless draw obia anti-man hye ne yonko Nigeria nso tena ho ema Serbia ehye omo ekamienu a omo anti ekano na Spain ene Argentina de ne ena de na nsempi Spain echi Argentina ebo omo eka poli insia Argentina etimiti ekanomo ebaako emra Isco etimi ebo hat-trick ema Spain ena Diego Costa nso etimidi ebaako episo ena Thiago Alcantara enso edi baako episo ema goals ni kwaje assists ena Thiago Aspas nso edi baako eka ho ena goals no ekoye ese na ne ahomachi a ebo 12 ya na Iceland and Peru game nso ekos emra Peru echi Iceland ehye omo ekansia ekamiensa omoti ekanomo ebaako Mexico nso tena ho ema Croatia ehye omo ekabaako a omo anti na nsensemu no ena Argentina coach oye San Paulo ekasa o se hwe na goals na eba ne ema amanfo emle players ni se enye omo ene ya ade na players ni de omo ye ade papa na ni tactics na odi call game no enna efeli no emra Spain so ehye Argentina emra Spain ehye 6 goal no na Messi distance no se no hands injury to antimi amoball no bi na Messi distance no hu se na Messi every stance no ma no call dressing room because antimi antra emra Spain ehye Argentina omo hye omo sa eka nsia na omo te eka no mo ebaako no na Lukaku nso akasa ewo Belgium osi na 2 goals na o hye edima Belgium no ebeboa no ewo ni national level and ni club level se Okoma United no ntimi hye goals kra and na watimi atena ho ahye Saudi Arabia abo brace edi ama Belgium man de and na o ka kire se okoso a eye edumadin dia and se nyame ya adum no timi ko World Cup no bi and so san return to his club level dia obeye edumadin edi ama omo na nra emra Brazil nso echi Germany ehye omo ekabaako a omo anti no Joaquim ekasa o se game no de ewom se Brazil win ye na eno nkire se Brazil eye favorite se on betimi agi World Cup no na no ono o testing the players e di ama Brazil na Brazil nso use almost in the first 11 and the ball sa ball nti ono on sro se na otimi elusu 1-0 to Brazil no na ho na nsema every Brazil any Germany match no mo eba any se Gabriel Jesus on the young player Edma Brazil awatimi about 15 matches on the third player awatimi about 15 matches was 9 goals Brazil national team no more and means sema every member na quite Europa Champions League no so omodi quarter final draw no so abaso na Hana Barcelona any AS Roma ebeshia asiakan Sevilla any Bayern Munich enso na ebebo Juventus any the Blanconarios Real Madrid enso na ebebo ehon na England din do affair ni besi Liverpool versus Manchester City any ebeshia abosa ekan sie no na nsense ebi film eba Rakitic emra draw ne ebe to Japan na Evan Rakitic ekasa o se hwe mo hu AS Roma sa ne ema Barcelona team no en anareti AS Roma kra efise so mo anareti AS Roma asem ebe fa omase send omo ne Chelsea ekobo a omo prepare ne omo be fa ne se so omo ne Real Madrid and ekobo El Clasico ewo ho inti game ne de omo be prepare e di ahia AS Roma pa no omo ne omo atimia akofisu na nyame ya adum na omo timi win dia then the Barcelona is heading towards the cup UEFA Champions League no eho na Juventus enso eho na we Edinzeko into ese asem etu just hwe ma na nije pi se oni Barcelona na ebehia quarter final stage no emu vi se eho de oni Barcelona ehia na otimi yiri hu na oba ma wobo dimpa enti oni de onsoro FC Barcelona kura obebo adwuma no edi ama AS Roma ama obeye ni obeye bia ama AS Roma etimi qualify ahead of FC Barcelona na wo nsem fufuro mu nso ne eho na Juventus and Real Madrid game no coaches no kasa sanso na players ni bebre nso edi nsem so tutodwa eho na Casemiro kasa ye wo se he ema amanfo nkasa omo ne omo ahia UEFA Champions League final ema omo hia omo ekanan a omo tie mo ba kwenti game we ya omo ne omo kwahia ne de enwa afane fola wo se Juventus team na wo huni san character ewo mu papa na nsembi NCC ya ema omo timi hye omo cup final ayi omo ana agi Champions League no edi free omo nsem enti game we na omo kobo na ema Real Madrid players ne emfa ne say Juventus de omo afa omo fu enti edi bi omo betimi edi ayo omo na omo so omo afa anibre pa say game ni de omo bebo na ni si ya pe na Buffon enso akasaye Buffon a oye sahene edima Juventus enso ekasaye o say he more determined team and ebetimi anwini sa game no enti o catch any players ne say ema omo mfani fuda say e bia team no Real Madrid asho omo enti omo be lusu and omo ntimi hye omo sida bi omo be yiro omo ho pa etimi eyi Real Madrid edi omo free quarter final stage enso mo na every hono se na ekọ Liverpool and Man City omo nyina every England na ho na asem no AC omo ye draw na Liverpool and Man City ekohia omo na omo be quarter final stage no ho na nsempi Efrim eba nsem na Efrim eba eni se kasa say here Liverpool there we mi say omo ne omo share cup league and omo ne omo so share league matches boy na first round ekoye 5-1 a favor of Man City and na second round so Liverpool Man City share omo kanan omo timiti kanu miensa enti game ne there akoye obi antimi obi amom there na so game ne there omo kasa say Pep Guardiola kasa say game no wa funny serious pa sense say otimi Liverpool edi free sa quarter final stage na Liverpool so team na okita na nsan no team papa enti on NRT Liverpool kra na game ne de omokoma obekasa che ni players mo makom full pa na stories around the world no na PSG4 are you ready PSG4 are offer 10 million euros edi ama Antonio Conte say Antonio Conte Unai Emery ni tatis no asa ewo PSG enti yesrewa abra na ba na bra bebo ball ni bi edi emayen na every ho nso ekọ no eho na Joaquin eni Arsenal Joaquin Ancelotti eni Allegri omo se Asevinga every Arsenal there sa players we mu na ombe kwa akọbọ ball no edi ama ta coaches we mu na ombe kwa akọ head Arsenal team no edi ama om enti Arsenal and say Asevinga onye ready say obe free Arsenal no na wako na ewo insem fufuro mu so Samuel Ntiti ni the contract no run aka 2 years then the contract na ko Barcelona for any na tena akasa bebre sanko betimi a renew the contract no na so akwa na ye na dwen se enya ade obe renew the contract no e di ama FC Barcelona kura into Barcelona prepare life after someone in Titi because Man United for I already say ombetua sa 50 million euros no e di ni buy out clause no e di akofa no free FC Barcelona esa aye scanner all request every FC Barcelona 9 million euros now all request no omo betua e di amano e ho na Barcelona for so aye ready so omo betua Ifa Griezmann edina for Atletico Madrid because ensem no eba bebre ni akoye ne de kian ken ese Antoine Griezmann ebepie ewo FC Barcelona na Hazard nso akasa o say Real Madrid for eternity so omo penal for now there obeka kire omo say oye happy in Chelsea intima Real Madrid for enter ni sana ball no obekoso abo osan ewo contract on Chelsea for ewo contract into obekoso abo ball no e di ama Chelsea and Barcelona for Alana Luke Shaw say Man United say ombe yi players ni be free transfer windows and ombe sack players ni be and Luke Shaw o kan lems na omo dey abetu just say omo be free ho no until Luke Shaw I already say obeba na aba be ye sa adwuma Mr. Kwaku Francis
what was that
ma kwa aba
me joso
ampomwe
na me adom wakasabre so yeah we start here no was vim no was true
ati na nsem ni de me agu ho bebre na ye behwe ena matches na across international friendly no ye hwe Germany any Brazil de na se Brazil etimi a hye Germany ekaba kon mantimi antia enra on paper no na ho se Brazil ebetimi a win ball na se na Germany na se o win ball no
well Mr. Vincent yem che obi biara wo hwe adwumadi ye gusu e preparation mu a ye hwe ni mo se 2018 yinyina ye bekwa kopi mo Russia na as central for there yatimi akwa kopi Stories atimi afide ye T4 na clubs no do na egusu preparation say be ya 2018 obi biara wa qualify no obetimi abon homodi Ghana yantimi anyeden ankobi intino ye de hwe na ye hwe say other countries na mo qualify no betimi anyeden akwa homodi fine Brazil etimi qualify fine notice 41 points unbeaten it tells you say titi eba ye no modern ma odi team no ebo no say Brazil time a omo host year 2014 na ina anyim say Brazil betimi host and win but Germany be share almost 7-1 and mutimi eyi omu free in the semi-finals of that competition. Inti that friendly match na ngofo e hwe no say revenge betimi ayeden aba but say Brazil etimi share Germany I mean can say a revenge because obi a share 7-1 e wo tournament a wan kasa wa host to and after that into proceed e koyeden e koji tournament no but we just a friendly game. Now share Brazil squad a parody ya Tite etimi parody the first 11 a wo sha on say Neymar wentimi am won dey wapura it's anka Neymar ohodi anka yebetimi afield no but in the absence of Neymar no players na omo sha ase no you could see say no omo ye starters say under normal circumstances do omo no be start ayeden abobo no ediama Brazil wo hwe Alisson Becker o sina kan edima yes Roma oye omo number 1 goalkeeper say at the normal circumstances obedam etimi ade ayeden ediamo Dani Alves mu ewo ho Thiago Silva mu ewo João Miranda mu ewo these are players on be status na wo Felipe Coutinho Gabriel Jesus mu Willian mu nyina status edema Brazil but wo Germany national team now there were some players na coach no Joachim Löw test mu because we say players no say or status already wo Confederation Cup or course Germany okoji you could see say omu key players na anyeden anko omudi omu under 21 ni under 20 na yeden ekọ eba omutimi ekọ omunim ekọ yeden ekọ ji ebra omu Chile intino it tells you team German eden parody enu ebra Brazil share German one me I was not impressed because who share omu keeper order kum Kevin Trapp and normal circumstances Ter Stegen fit na se mano no fit so our third choice goalkeeper inti say wo third choice goalkeeper pum na other players Sebastian Rudy mu status ba wo sha omu number 1 and a typical striker Timo Werner but enra omu di Sergio Ramos mo na eden omu di omu shishe mu o mfimfio into no tells you say Germany asha say build team omu efi say and a normal say other first 11 no anywhere on betimi ayeden ahye mu nti wo say Tony Cruz mu ebeboa wo mfinfin wo odi key players no binom ayeden ehye mu ana wosan so de youngsters na omo ba no etimi ayeden ehye mu nti no fine na a good result edima Brazil because the team show 7-1 na say friendly game utra ho na wosan so be hyewa ya na hard nti enra yemmo Brazil baso ba emma omutrim enyo mu de say bia omotimi ayeden ahye Germany metimi kan say we second side Germany field there nti no yemmo mabaso and mamenko Spain any Argentina game no 6-1 very humiliating say we can say numbers enim but say we Argentina na ye can say 2018 we club and as a country ye can 5 countries your favorite betimi age tournament na untimi enride off in say woni Spain kwa akobo na wa manasha 6-1 e kire say modimo no e wo form kakra do na mo players bi o mo pra say Messi entimi Lanzini mu nyina no mo apira Di Maria mo etimi epri but Spain etimi parade a very strong squad omotimi mbo omodin e share 6 goals and is ko etimi nya ne first hat-trick etimi edima Spain man no ntino ye mo Spain abaso na ye kanje who is Sampaoli ne mranche say Messi on say this time or age 30 nti next 4 years no obekobe 34 years nti say wantimi anje 2018 World Cup na say ni bobo no aba wie ya ne sa nya ade 20 obetimi age World Cup etimi ama ne man se ne ye kan say Messi betimi age sa tournament no etimi ade akọ nanim
Francis so na me bisa wo say enra game no coach ni problem ntia ana say players na operate ye no na ankoye amfa mana tactical na wo use ye no na ankoye amma no ana say Messi with that Messi no Argentina intimi nyehwe eno na ye hu ni wo pitch ni so na ana
Argentina setup now Sergio Romero wo Manchester United onye starter say na me kan want say but wo hwe Spain goalkeeper or starter wo Manchester United nti emfa no say Argentina goalkeeper no under Spain goalkeeper no wo Manchester United nti no say wanya playing time wo club level I want say country ni de just a time na ya frɛ na oba bebo ebia some 5 months be na ya from international friendlies and as a tournament no about bobe 3-4 games be no wasanso akwa club in the club level na ho na major assignment na eden e want is most of your players no enya match playing time untimi emmo hwe Jordi Alba FC Barcelona or starter hwe Dani Alves or starter or PSG Piqué starter or FC Barcelona Sergio Ramos nso starter ewo Real Madrid ntu show mu back players na back four na mu nyina status isku mu enya bi ebo Asensio mu enya bi ebo na wo hwe the life of David Silva mo Manchester City boboku na sisi ayebo mu abaso no these are the kind of players are esi mu nan so but Asensio mu any other players o mo ka no enya ade a mo betimi di Argentina man no ayeden akwa eni mo to send the that key players na mo ho no betimi ayeden aye in 2010 we bra Spain AG World Cup esi mu nan so no you hu say Jordi Alba Dani Alves Dani Carvajal any Gerard Piqué mu key players honom but this time omusan so ejina mu experience wise no nso count nti no fine Argentina players no eba no countryside enya ade a omutimi eden obo omodi Marcos Royo mu fine omo very nice players but omo ba Argentina man mu enya ade a omutimi eden obo omodi nti coach no tactically onyare wrong kakra because na nkrofo question say Argentina one free Mario Icardi sanka wono so be testing because he gwen one player what disappointed the Argentina bobo mine because Mekai South American tournament course so na ono no oye Arrowhead e wo affront but ultimately say most of their chances no kan ho e ma Chile e share omo 2 times na nyina finals omo timi eden egie we bra Germany e share omo agi sa 2014 World Cup no you will say na he gwen e say most of their chances ntina kan dodo na fi say this time Icardi e wo form e wo Inter Milan no this is the right time Anke say who is Sampaoli Eden testing no after all these are friendly matches when now these test two players nti Anke so ofre no na yehwe so onu so betimi aye bibia but want me amfre no ana o maintain higwen nti you could see say after the game no Sampaoli eba abonti be kan say onu coach tactically onyan wrong this is a coach time on Sevilla no you body more Eden o boy we bra no this Sevilla ag UEFA Europa Cup nti so about international level say obo homodin nti no coach no so yema ni blame na players no so omo so ma homeless na ehu sa Argentina ebo modern ewo World Cup 2018
yo Mr. Francis so bodi am kakra se wani je se ne me ye ne wani je se o pese we professional radio presenter, professional TV presenter, and as a professional cameraman there, TV and radio technician, and a professional video editor. Then I come for As Media Training Institute at the amount. We say As Media Practical Institute there, and in the school papa Obama on betimi abo amawanya ntitiye ediafa eyimu bebre na As Media offer a church neighbor e mani nya wonwa se oba hefa na meda As Media e hostel facilities edima both boys and girls na Obama hostel ne de e kama pa ti se wankasa po uti wufie e na wo hwe wo bibia no ba hostel a obenya TV ewom obenya best a o ma hihye kra na infri Ghana ho best ne efri China and Omaya Omedi Abre As Media Practical Institute say yenda na ofre eche na ope baby As Media Practical ewo dia ene ukọ nkran mo krabata no eyemienu ukọ nkran dia omo Achimota ABC Junction omo Ganrola Bank no abanso na oba Kumasi nso abehu omo ahojo nhia so omo ni Royal TV ene wo bankro na mo nti ope As Media na mekanfo As Media na mpanyimfo ta aka se Batakari adults inti yama yihu krambo papa emi dia me kanfu krambo papa wo As Media ana se me kanfu school papa dia ma dia na As Media Practical Institute na me kanfu dia ma Mr. France yebeko yetam nti yebeko ni fast for ewo quarter final stage no wo se Barcelona ene AS Roma ebihia ewo quarter final no na Juventus ene Real Madrid, Liverpool, and Man City. Inti hono mema ota nanka wahihye kama se ne eta.
Ebano UEFA Champions League drew this stage the character and eden. Ebo FC Barcelona and AS Roma. AS Roma is nowhere near FC Barcelona in terms of the UEFA Champions League. On FC Barcelona time and name akwa na do na fit team na eden. I said but this season omo the only club in Europe in their domestic competition omo in lose game. Into FC Barcelona a favorite ahead of AS Roma. Roma STT, they have other quality players, but nya they are say we do omo to FC Barcelona at this stage omo timi a compete. Juventus share anymore say ombenya revenge. Omo say last season omo ne Real Madrid na call UEFA Champions League finals. We bra na Juventus before say no more omo ekwa do final stage no more consider just 2 goals. It is not do not feel say omo defenders are no more Chiellini mo ni Bazzagli mo ni Bonucci mo no betimi a use omo eden. Ashe Real Madrid, but Madrid let me demolish you 4 goals to 1. It tells you say Juventus Bobukono, you Real Madrid Bobukono, Madrid let you 4 goals to 1. Juventus one club, so mu share that big clubs, Madrid Barca, and ya multimedia but this time Madrid form no adepe kakra. Ronaldo mu form ano mu wono akok form kakra Toni Kroos Moni Casemiro mu form ano mu wono akok form kakra ba UEFA Champions League no domestically enya de omo ya de ba Champions League no mu bon homodi nti ye hwe enu mu say Juventus ebetimi pay revenge to Real Madrid boko no dudu na can say Madrid be qualify ba me hwe enu mu say Douglas Costa mo ebetimi abon homodi na Juventus atimi qualify to the next stage of the competition
ene ye be ba efie insense mu dia Ghana Premier League no Ghana Premier League no match day 3 no features no abetudwa wafa ene Adriana Stars ene bebo e honso na Mediama ene Asante Kotoko 11 Wonders ene Bechem United Ashanti Gold ene Carrera ene bebo Abusia Dwarf ene Asofuk ene bebo Dream FC ene Wild Star ene bebo ena Inter Highlight ene Liberty Professional Brekun Chelsea ene Elimina Shark ene Ebeshia abo sa kansie no na Mr. France na mbisa o say sa features ya betudwai Adriana Stars and I say Mediama versus Asante Kotoko I say TNA Park Kotoko betimi afri ha akwa wini game ewo Mediama ana
this is a game I very dicey kakra Kotoko ni Mediama games no 7 games are more ball their last 7 games no Kotoko are winning 6 it tells you say more upper hand ewo Mediama so and last season we bra Kotoko ko ye hu dicey penalties and goals are Mediama share editor akrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko and hu sensem by referee oko official see that game no eba abontin ebe patch say oh yes some mistakes be intino any this particular game so until the share no say officiating no enye fair but Kotoko assistance na on so more 4 points omo in lose game Mediama on win omo first game the second game on lose until omo so 3 points Kotoko 4 points intino Kotoko ye share no say pa akosi Fabian eba no jumadi odi omo 8 because last season na Eric Donko money oberu so niema enheda enku yemfa mom but this time e don komuni obedu wusu ahia say de e bo hu mboni ye hwe ni mu so kotoko betimi akwa peke 3 maximum points no honum Ashanti Gold so yembo mo ba so after say omo eton omo club no etim edima Mr Champion mo omo nsu ba ye no say Ashanti Gold na lead table no 6 points omo ko ano 100% record nti ye hwe ni mu say Karela nso waba awo 1 point no Ashanti Gold betimi akwa bo mboni has focus so omo de na nyamba ochina nti no has nso embo ho mboni
ana ene chia ne family na tu
on say nyuma de uyi ba kunfo na uchia na ya na ha adwin ti obi biara wo hwe bia me chia
sa okay na ha ene mrebe ma ye kwan medi adwumade ni nyina asie ene me ne Kwaku Francis ana twetwe nkomo e wa fidie mu ha waboa ye mpa yi wa cheche niema ase ama ya te niema ase pa yi na me amedi dwumade nso ebre o medi ani sie Vincent Kwadwo na omo so ma se ma medi dwumade ebre o As Media Practical Institute ochina hia me ebre amedi Tiaso Sports sign e di abre obi